So I was looking for a workbench that I could add to my set. I didn't want something cheap looking. It was going to be getting some airtime in future videos, of course. So I wanted to look appealing, but it had to have a wood top and be adjustable height, that is. The workbench was also going to be used for my smaller laser projects, and so I needed something also to store that equipment as well as some accessories that came with it. So with those things in mind, I settled on the Enjoywood 48-inch work table. Now what's nice about this workbench is it comes with a few cool features that I really appreciated. So unlike my other work table, which I paid nearly twice the price for, the Enjoywood workbench comes with a protective mat and a side-mounted 12-amp power strip and even a cable loop. Now, I couldn't say the same for my other workbench because, again, it didn't come with those things. So immediately, the Enjoywood workbench is a winner in my book. The mat covers the surface perfectly from edge to edge, and the side-mounted power strip was easy to install, and the power cable actually was long enough to give me some flexibility as to where I want to put that workbench. So using the manual, following the instructions here, took me about an hour or so to put together. Obviously, in hindsight, I probably could have done some things a little bit better, would have put it together a little faster, but that's typically how I operate. Anyway, well illustrated, simple to follow along, and pretty straightforward. Now again, this is the 48-inch version, so it's 4 foot long by 20 inches deep. And as mentioned, since this height is adjustable, it can be positioned from 31.5 to about 39.4 inches high. The wood top is nicely finished and sanded smooth and sealed with finish. So once again, this was unlike my other workbench, which didn't come with that. So again, this is definitely a winner here. So if you're on the market for a workbench for your shop or even office, definitely give the Enjoywood workbench a look. They make a few different versions too, depending on your needs. Now this one here comes with a few sturdy metal pegboards, but if you don't need a pegboard or you need something maybe a little longer, check out their 60-inch version. So I'll give a link in the description if you're interested in learning more.